this creamy, cheesy lasagna. We're going to start by decasing 1.5 kilograms of Italian sausage. Get it in the frying pan. Break it up and fry it until it's golden brown. We are adding a 1/2 cup of butter to this saucepan, and we are going to melt it down over medium-low heat until it's completely melted. Add a 1/2 cup of flour and give it a little mixy-mixy. Get all those clumps out. Cook it down for about 5 minutes. Now we added a tablespoon of SPG, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of No Yad's Italian seasoning. We're going to add in 1.5 liters of milk and a 1/2 liter of half and half. Next up is the parmesan. Mix continuously until you bring it up to a boil. Let that sauce simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we add in the Italian sausage. Give it a good mix, simmer for as long as you need to. Let's get some noodles layered in here. Start with a little bit of sauce. Get the first layer of noodles in. Now we're going to hit it with another little bit of sauce. And then the cheese. Wrap it up in foil, bake at 375 for 30 minutes. Now we pull it out, add a layer of cheese, put it back in the oven for another 30. Look at that golden brown. You do not want to miss out on the recipe for